Welcome to apartment 108. This is my living room. We're not going to keep those bins there, of course. This is where the TV is going to go. And of course, we're going to get some furniture. Nice, awesome tile floor throughout. Won't show a speck of dirt. Window. Nice big living room. Front door. Kitchen window. We're going to move that soon. Kitchenette area. Nice big beautiful kitchen. It looks small from there, right? But we can put our little island there. It's got so many cabinets. More than 405. Got a built-in microwave. Brand new appliances. Perfect size fridge, of course. But really nice cabinets. Really nice Formica countertops. Awesome pattern. Nice dual sink, of course. Little space for stuff. Another little space for stuff. I'm going to stand in the corner of the kitchen. Look how far that is. All the way over to the kitchenette area. And if I move that, then there'll be a nice big space for a kitchenette, which is bigger than 405 used to be from there to there. There's the big old living room again. Now we're going down the hallway. This is a little pantry closet. Pretty awesome. All painted, shiny new. Beautiful lighting throughout. Let me show you my kitchen lights. Nice, huh? And of course there's an under the sink light there. So many spaces that I can hang my things. This is a hot water closet, hot water heater. Let's go into the bedroom. It's kind of small. That's where the bed's going to be. Beautiful light in the window. It's 10:30 in the morning. Normal size closet, not big, but you know, we got all this awesome drawer space from Mama and Mama's Furniture. We got to fix that leg that fell off. So it's a pretty big room without furniture, but it'll be just the right size for all this. Of course, we've got a huge living room, so we don't care. You don't live in the bedroom. So here's my bathroom. See that space in the corner there? That's a huge space. Same tile floor with all the way through, by the way, except the bathroom. It's a really nice beige carpet. Actually brown. I'd call that brown, light brown. So here's where I'm going to put a big old wicker shelf and put pretty things and extra towels and all that. Nice window. Beautiful. Brand new white tile. Awesome tub, new toilet, new fixtures, awesome cabinets. Same Formica as the kitchen. Awesome mirror, awesome lights, awesome. And of course, the medicine cabinet. So it makes the bathroom look really, really big. You know? Can't wait to buy something for there. It's going to be the Julie girl area. We could put girly stuff in here. Then we're going back through toward the front door. We have no screen, so I have the door shut because the air's on. But we got center here. There's a laundry room around that way. And there's a nice view of the outside. I'll